Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today I have a cute project for your bathroom, something that will entertain your guests while they're in there. I found this cute cut file from Farmhouse. It was actually a free download. I will leave a link in the description below for this cut file. I wanted the picture to look like it was on wood slats. So I cut off the ends of a bunch of craft sticks from Dollar Tree. I'm still finding the ends all over my craft room. I used an 11 by 14 inch frame from Dollar Tree. I took the wrapping off and then removed the back. I used my hot glue gun to glue all the craft sticks onto the back of the frame. I staggered the sticks for more of a realistic look. After I had most of the sticks attached, I trimmed the edges, being careful so I wouldn't crack the sticks on the board. After cutting the bottom, I used the smaller pieces to fill in the bare spots of the board. I continued cutting the sticks until they were all the same size as the back of the frame. This is a good time to go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I had one stick that just wouldn't fit, so I added hot glue to fill it in. I tried to apply the hot glue at the same height as the sticks. After the glue dried, it was time to paint all the craft sticks. I used Ivory chalk paint and painted the entire front of the boards. I then used my hot air gun to dry the paint quicker. And it did take 2 layers of chalk paint to cover the boards evenly. I cut and weeded the cut file. I had to use an oversized mat since this was such a large file. It measured over 11.5 inches, which means you can't cut it on a regular mat. Since this was such a large cut, I removed the paper from the top only and applied it to the sign. I slowly worked my way down and across using this method. By doing this, I didn't have to worry about the vinyl not laying right or having part of the vinyl stick in places I didn't want it. I think it's time to change my knife and my Cricut. I had a really hard time trying to get the vinyl off the paper. Some of the letters just didn't want to work with me, and I think it is because my knife has gotten dull. I could not tell you the last time I changed it. And I finally got the vinyl onto the sign. I used my iron to heat up the vinyl and work it into the cracks and crevices of the wood. I do this trick with all my wood and vinyl projects. Next, I inserted the back into the frame. I left the glass part of the frame in the frame because I wanted people to be able to mark the words they found using a dry eraser pen. I just thought it would be fun to be able to mark on the glass and then wipe it off as needed. I had a dry erase marker and decided to attach it to the frame. I used a piece of twine and placed a dab of hot glue to the lid of the pen. I wrapped the twine around the pen several times and then secured the end with hot glue. I left a long piece of twine so it would hang from the frame and still have enough room to mark on the frame. I applied some hot glue directly to the frame to hold the twine. I then placed the end of another piece of twine on top of the string and began wrapping it around itself I felt like this would hold the pin and the twine better. I decided the frame needed something else to decorate it a little. I decided to make a small messy bow because that's the only type of bow I can do. I cut several pieces of black and white ribbon and twine down to size. I layered them and then tied them in the middle with another piece of twine. I realized the bow was larger than I really wanted, so I cut it down until I was happy with the size. And then I glued it to the top of the little circle I had made. This was a really fun project, and I'm sure my guests are going to enjoy playing this while they're in my bathroom. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!